Okay, so yeah, this is my computer, and here I am. Also with us today, we have René. He's one of the service supervisors at Scandsted Foodtech, and he will also he might be also the person installing it, but that's not for sure. But he's here to assist us today. Then we have Leif. He is our electrical manager, and we have Stefan Larsen, who's assisting me today. And then we have Mona, who's holding the camera.
Thanks.
Yeah. So position 1 we have here. It's your unwrapping table, where you also will confirm the frozen product coming here, and you are able also to make an emergency stop.
Okay.
So hopefully this table is for now presented. Let's take position 2, the swing loader. It's placed right here and is operated from here, up and down. Any questions regarding the swing loader?
Only the question is, if I remember, we also will get it the loader for that swing loader, the patch.
Oh, the d.o.o bin.
It's coming also, huh?
Yeah, you will receive dimensions and which bins to go with, if that's what you mean.
So you will not supply it.
When we have to speak with Tobias, that will be his field. I am not aware that we should supply d.o.o bins.
I have to check also, because if I remember that he mentioned that it is the part of equipment.
It's not usual, so I don't think we will.
Okay.
But yeah, it will be a point, and I will talk with Tobias.
And how do you put inside? Because there is some the pipes. So if I see it, so if you're going inside, is it going up to put inside and down? How you put inside?
How you put you lift up your d.o.o bin and
you lift, but how you put inside the swing?
The swing?
Yeah, inside. How to going in this part? We will produce the trail. Let me say the trolls. How you put the trolls inside?
Oh, well, the d.o.o bins are normally you put in like your lifter and then up, and then there is some air down here, so what is on the floor can be put inside here.
Okay, I was just thinking, because there is the frame around, because if you put the trolls inside, how the trolls will pass this frame and to lift up? If these trolls lower than this frame, are they go up or throw away or something? It's not possible to happen.
No, it will stop. This will stop it. So it will never ends down in the belt conveyor. It will always be stopped by this one.
Okay.
We have done it at multiple places around the world, and this is sufficient.
Okay. Thanks. Okay.
You want to see it in the whole up position?
Yep. If something stay in the trolls, is there a possibility that you shake it to come out, or it will has to take manually? Let me say you have fresh meat inside of the trolls, you do that one, but something will stay in the trolls inside. It will not go out everything. So are they possible that they doing by electricity to shake a little bit? Is it allowed? Yes, to do that. Is it allowed or?
Yeah, it's allowed because normally they are sealed. It will be sealed to the floor, but we are not sealing it to the floor today. So it will have a little wrap, but normally it will stay in its place because it's bolted to the ground floor.
Okay, so but it's possible to shake it like by the buttons.
Yeah, either shake it, or you can take some places that take a stick and use that for getting the rest out.
Okay, okay.
So it varies from place to place what their practice is, but this is what we are familiar with what they are doing.
Okay, okay. Let's proceed.
Let's proceed.
Yeah.
Also, if you when you are shaking, now I have to be very careful, but because it's moving a bit, but you're also able to shake it from this point of the bell conveyor. And this is also where you start the scan bell. René, can you maybe the emergency is... Kan det være metaldetektoren? Sorry, we are afraid that some emergency button has been pushed or something. Sorry, Adnan, our technicians are here to see what might be the issue. Will it work? So we had an issue with it's because it's connected to the automation part of the screw grinder. So it was told that it had to stop because there was a safety issue with the grinder. So we had to turn that off. That's the reason why we had this stop down.
Okay.
But our supervisors will, of course, as part of your commissioning, teach you how the system is operating completely.
Okay.
Also, we have the metal detector. I'll put down my keys.
And keys going up.
Okay. Oh, it's because it's a manual. En stopræk på metalsektoren. Okay. Okay, apparently the metal detector is not will not function before at the SAT test, I'm afraid. It's not adjusted in. And then, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you. But it will be later, or
I will ask if they can make a video test showing that the metal detector works at some point, and then I will send it to you.
okay.
Would that be sufficient?
Okay.
Yes. Do you have any questions regarding the belt conveyor?
No, for the now it's not. It's okay.
Okay. We will go look at the grinder. I think we will go to the other side. But this is where the outfeed of the grinder will be, and the HMI panel, which right now is placed down there, it will be placed here, so you're not able to touch the emergency button with the outfeed screen. This is the safety guard, showing that nobody gets a finger cut off. This is your super grind. Down there we have your automatic greasing system. Behind up there, if you will film up on the switch, the red one is placed there. It's the safety switch.
Okay.
And also it comes with a safety tripwire, so ensuring that nobody falls down to the grinder. If the safety tripwire goes, the grinder will immediately stop. Up here we have your cleaning position, where you will be able to lock these so that they don't accidentally goes off from the safety switch, which are placed down here.
Okay.
This is your grinder, which of course will get a cleaning before. But down here you will see the auger. So the thing with the grinder is that to ensure that they are not getting destroyed. We are not able to run with the knife sets and the auger inside, as we are disrecommending that you are running dry with the equipment.
So it could not be run dry, you mean, without meat inside?
No, it's only made to start when there is meat in it.
Okay.
Because running dry
so
will.
That part we should test in Sarajevo when we establish the all equipment.
Yeah, but we can start the motor and you can see it turning around. We cannot run the machine with the knife set in, because then the knife set will be broken.
Okay.
So I will close the safety switch again. And I don't know, Mona, can we find a position where you can film inside the grinder running? Maybe you can hire your camera a bit. And then I have some videos showing the Super Grind 400 running with different kind of products, which I also will send you if requested.
Okay, that will be helpful.
Yeah. And Super Grind will be run fully automatically from the HMI panel, which are touch-based and also consisting of multiple programs, so you are able to get different type of grinding. I think we have what we need. Maybe we should shut the grinder. Any questions regarding the grinder, Adnan?
Not for now.
Also, we have
we
the
spoke
oil.
about the super grinders, so they can mill the bones and everything.
The Super Grind is made to mill bones, and I have seen a lot of one of the different things is the heads, and it's also capable of grinding heads from bigger animals.
Great, super.
So
full heads.
It's our top class grinder, and it's grinding everything.
Okay, great.
More or less. Should we proceed to the screw conveyor?
Okay.
So here we have your screw conveyor, and it will be placed with an interlock. Maybe we will show the interlock, Mona, down here. And with a switch, ensuring that the screw conveyor have to be in place, and by that means it will be under the grinder head. So Mona, maybe you will film me, and maybe we can have this put on. So when this is in place, this will the interlock will ensuring that this is in place and that you are not able to get your hands inside here. The screw conveyor is on wheels and has this cable. We call it a swan neck cable leader, which makes sure that the cable are not
broke.
Broke. Yeah. Also, all of the lids is placed with a safety switch. So it will not operating during cleaning, except if you are using the cleaning function.
Immediately, if they open them, they stopped.
They stop.
Okay.
I'm not sure if I can touch it from here, but I might be able to do the cleaning program. Yeah. So now you can see, now it's running very, very slow. And the cleaning guy is able to run the screw from this two-hand function, meaning he can run the screw at the same time as he's cleaning.
At the same time to clean, yes.
Yeah, so he has to use both his hands to rotate the screw. Then the screw will rotate. He can clean. Then he can rotate it further and clean it.
And hold the water from the cleaning from that part. Where is finishing?
The drain drop down from the screw conveyor is placed down there by the blue.
So that was the valve they can take out from that one.
Yeah.
Okay, super.
And the drain point from the grinder will be through the grinder head.
Okay.
Yes. Do you have any questions regarding the screw conveyor? As you can see at the top, I have placed some extra length on it, making sure that the meat products goes down to the mixer. But also, so it's able to be removed and a belt conveyor can be placed under it. So you will be capable of running with 2 mixers in the future if you are needing to improve your capacity.
Okay, great, super.
Yes.
And okay, now we're going to the mixer.
Maybe René, he will open the mixer's lid, which is a sliding lid. Yes.
Okay. And where is the water which we added in the mixer?
The water dosing, I'm not sure you can see when the lid is open. I'm actually, yeah, you can see it. The water will be dosed from these 2 nozzles up here. So it will be added. And if you see down in the mixer, you will have your nitrogen for cooling. No, your steam, sorry. Your steam for
steam.
Yeah.
Okay.
You will have your steam.
Super, great.
And over there is the safety switch again, meaning that you are not able to make the mixer wings running when the lid is open. However, if you need to clean it, we again, René, maybe you will try to turn the mixing rings. So mixing rings 200.
And they can clean the mixer from those position where you're staying now, or where is Mona staying now with the camera. So they can use the water and clean from those places.
So enable to start the 2-hand function, you need to open this safety lid. Also, this platform is not the one you're using for cleaning the mixer. It will be the same as for the grinder.
Okay.
And now, again, you have to use 2 hands to make this function works, which means you can't clean at the same time. You have to rotate the wings.
And there is also the drainage on bottom, where the water will finish.
Yeah, there is the drain points will be the outfeed, which are the two outfeed charges you see down there. The remaining water will go. And thank you. So you have your outfeed for the meat will also be where the drain, where the water is drain point is.
Okay.
Yeah. Let's go see the mixer from the other side. Here we also have the HMI for the mixer, which have multiple programs in it, making sure that you are getting the mixer you want. And also because you purchased the trench shaft mixer, maybe you can fill me, Mona. So when you are purchasing a trench shaft mixer, you have the possibilities. I mean, it's I think it's 6 different options. So you can go either this way, or you can go like this, or you can go like this, or you can go both at the same. Meaning that these multiple options, meaning that you can get the kind of mixing that you request. Okay.
Okay.
Steam inlet is placed right here. And I think I have sent you and Mr. Nada the specs for where, how to what how you should, what the size of this is and how you should attach it to your steam drop down.
Okay.
Yep. So the HMI panel for the mixer, once you're adding, if you're adding any spices or something, you will add them by your lifting device placed over here.
Okay.
Hvad siger du? And you will enter your FEMAC or standard trolleys down to the mixer like this.
Okay.
Over here, your HMI panel is going to be placed where you can operate the mixer from.
Okay.
The mixer is coming with a danger placed at the outfeed, which means that you can get your fingers cut off by these outfeed leads. Therefore, we also place the conti pump. Oh, sorry, and then I forgot to ask if you had any questions regarding the mixer.
No. Everything was okay.
Super. If you can see down at the weighing cells, next to the weighing cells, there's placed an interlock, which ensuring that the conti pump is in place, and you therefore are not able to reach the outfeed of the mixer.
Okay.
These outfeeds, they're quite dangerous. That's why we are screening them so much, because if you are placing your hand there trying to get the last stuff out, you will get your fingers cut off. So this needs to be in place for those to be able to open a lock. Down here, we have our twin screw conti pump containing the same batch size as the mixer, which means you are able to discharge the whole load at once. Over here, we have a level sensor saying how much product who's left in the pump, making sure that the pump is not running dry.
Mm-hmm.
The way you are moving the conti pump is on rails, which are placed down here.
Mm-hmm.
You fold them out, but because that so you're not having the rail in the factory when it's operating, and you are able to fold it out when you're going to clean.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Next to the conti pump, here we have the conti pump outfeed. The conti pump is also coming with a wagon to pull out these augers, so you're able to clean them outside of the conti pump.
Okay.
The conti pump goes up here. Here is your three-way valve, which ensuring that you are being able to send your product over to your pâté filler. And down here, it will forward the product to our emulsifier.
Okay.
Which is a Scanimol 175. And again, it came with a HMI panel, ensuring that you have multiple programs based on the emulsifying that you are requesting.
Okay.
The emulsifier is cleaned from the front, and it goes up here and emptying down in the silo, where you have a tap flow pump, which are pumping your product over to the emulsion kitchen from silo. Should we see the emulsifier up running function? Again, the emulsifier is not allowed to run dry, so we therefore will do the test with the motor only. Also, emulsifying can be quite difficult getting up running in the way you want it. So therefore, Scanty recommend that you try out a lot of different hold plates to make sure that the emulsifying you're getting is the correct one. René, will you run the test with the emulsifier?
Okay, thanks.
René, you are allowed to stop the. When we have the pipe feeding out to the silo hopper here next to the emulsifier, we're still we had some issues with the finish, so we are reinventing that. There is like a last bending where we had to adjust a little thing, but it will go down to the silo.
Okay.
And the silo is having a level sensor on it, ensuring again that it's not running empty and you are capable of seeing how much product you have in your production.
So it's possible to see according to that sensor how much the product was inside.
Live, it is, yeah. Live is confirming that it is, yes.
Okay.
Yep. So what we would like you to do is to give the confirmation that we can pack down this equipment and you feel that you have seen it. So because we are at a little situation where we are needing the space for other projects.
Okay, but as I told you, you have to now prepare all of these and send me by official.
Yeah, and I'm working with that with Lasse. We just want to pack down the equipment here at Scansteel at the first place. Yeah, you are not. You don't need to say yes right now.
No, of course. It's I have to get from you, as I told you, this one and how you will pack and.
But you, I sent to Lasse a packing plan of how we were going to ship it. Haven't you received that? Because I have received an email from Lasse with the mail consisting of a packing plan.
I have to check. I don't remember. I remember that you sent me this one what we need for the customs, but for the packaging, to be honest, I can't remember. I have to check it too.
Okay, but I can resend you the schedule planned, how we are going to send the different parts of the factory, and then you can say if you are agreeing if we do so.
Okay, you prepare and send me, because I have to, as I told you, I have to wait that we get permission from the customers, from the customs, that they allowed us to be start with this one. So all information which I get, because they request all kind of information in the
Yeah,
way how many trucks will be, what will be in one truck, second truck, third truck, full. They request full information. They actually don't want to do anything. They
yeah,
want actually, as I understand them, they're actually planning when truck arrived, they just opened the documents and said, okay, this is truck number 1 and this truck was this. They check and said, okay, this was okay. They
yeah.
don't want, so that was the point, how they planning to do.
I have made an Excel. I have made a drawing and an Excel sheet saying exactly what is in each truck.
Yeah, I remember that one. Yeah,
Yeah,
everything what you said was okay. It was great.
yeah. Okay, super. Because what I do is that I disassembly the line and say, this is hopefully how we're going to ship it. We are a bit curious, Les and I, regarding sometimes we don't we discalculate that we might have to send something on another truck. If that happens, we are able to adjust the plan at immediately, more or less. But is that okay, or should as long as it's, of course, is forwarded to you, or how is that functioning?
Uh, to be honest, I don't know. I have to check it
Yeah,
to see.
because if we are able to change the plans, it's an easy task for us. If it has to be 100% like what we sent,
No, it will be if we tell them it will be like this, they will request to be exactly how we write.
yeah, and we are also able to do so. But do they need them in advance? And then if we had to change something, would that be a huge trauma?
No, it will not be. If we tell them and said this will be, they will not request any changes, because as I told you, they requesting that we tell them how it will be, and if it will be like this, they will be totally satisfied.
Okay, super. Yeah, what you see over here is the wagons for the country pump. Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
And then I will shut down the fat test. Do you think the two of us should have a meeting now, or?
I don't think reason for the now. I think now everything was clear.
Yeah,
Everything what I see was more or less as we agreed. If as I remember what we agreed, and of course everything will be tested when it's arrived, because we saw now that some parts it's worked separately, of course, but the main
yeah,
point is that everything was be settled up on the place. We have to see that when we put some frozen meat, when we put some fresh meat, that all these what we see now and all these what you explain now, it's really worked.
yeah.
That actually that will be the main test.
Yes. However, we are considering this as our FAT test with you, just for info.
Yeah, from this point of view, it's okay. We saw
Yeah.
that everything was look very nice and everything was as we saw now. its quality and everything was established according to the drawings, and
Yes.
some separate elements it's worked. So like from this point of view and everything, it's okay. It's worked. It's okay. But as I told, the real test it will be on the site when we put inside the meat and everything and see how it's
Yeah.
going, how they grinding, what we getting on the end, what's happened when we put in the mixer some dry elements, add the water, add the steam, how was prepared and what we get, how we to do and move it on, what emulsion will come on the end and everything. So
Yes.
that will be the main point.
Yeah.
Okay, Matt.
Okay.
Okay, thank you very much for this part.
You're welcome. Thank you.
Okay, just send
Take
me
care.
all this. Send me all this as report, and today I will prepare everything for the customs and send to them. And I hope the next 10 days we will receive the permission from the customs, then we can organize of the transport and everything.
Yes, that would be nice.
Okay.
Thank you, Adnan, for your time.
Thank you.
And thank you for trading high quality equipment with Scantil Food Tech. Take care.
Thank you. Bye bye.
Bye bye.